Welcome back. It's been a hot minute. I've just missioned out the end of a wall, really long wall actually. Whew. Got rained on, it's windy. I'm tucked down in between the rocks at the moment. I've got the fishing gear. I'm gonna try and hook a tailor and then throw that tailor out for a livey and try and hook something really big. But there's heaps of swell, there's heaps of wind, there's heaps of rain. There's just heaps of everything, so hopefully there's heaps of fish. Now I've been away for a bit. I went up Strutty, filmed a heaps of fishing, heaps of diving, catching heaps of squid, catching cooks all day long. Oh, you guys missed out big time. Should have been there. But yeah, I blew it and all the footage, the SD card failed on me. And yeah, I lost absolutely everything. So I got like the odd bit of footage here and there, but not enough to really string anything together. So I kind of just cruised, lost motivation, but baby, I am back. Look at this. Oh, it's wild out here. Absolutely wild. Woo! It's a fair old wall, eh? It's a long walk all the way back there, but there's birds bombing here, a bit of mixed up water. Looks very dewy, but whether or not I can land one, oh, waves breaking over the wall. Like, look at this. And it's windy, it is so windy. I don't know. Oh, look at this. There's just waves coming into the wall. Oh, big shark just belching the surface. No way, there's sharks just bombing through here. I just seen the big dorsal fin just come in red hot. All right, I'm gonna get a lure out because if there's sharks around, there's gotta be other fish hanging around. All right, let's get set up. Oh, it's just started pouring. Yeah! It's not gonna stop us. I got you on the head strap. I'll whack you on my head and I'm gonna have a cast where I've seen this bust up. It's wild. Woo! We're running the, I've got the demon blood out today with the Penn Slammer. I'm actually down on a bit of line after getting smoked by a few big fish in Strutty. And I just got a little Rapala diver on here. Hopefully it does the damage, but I'm gonna whack this on my head and start casting. Ah, first cast. Out there. Wow, Mother Nature doing a thing. Come on, just need a big old fish sitting in this current. Whee! See that patch of blue water out there? That's where the fish should be, but it just looks a bit gnarly. If there wasn't so much swell, I'd be out there. Yep, fish. How am I gonna land this? It's a good tailor. Come on. Woo! Yes. Ah! Hey! Taken right at the rocks. No way. How's that? Right at the rocks in that dirty water. Ah, that's classic. He's probably too big for a livey, but hey, we'll eat him. That's Smoko. That is Smoko. I didn't think I was gonna get him up the rocks. He smacked that lure. Ah! Nice little Taylor on the X-Wrap. Where was I fishing without getting blown away? Let's get back out there and try and upgrade. This looks like a good rock. What? My fish is gone. Where's my fish gone? I put him right there, look, you can see the blood. You're kidding. I reckon there's a rat dragged it somewhere. Oh my gosh, there it is. No way. You're kidding. I reckon a rat has just dragged that. Look at him down there. Little. Oh my God, get this. Look at him down there. You're kidding. Oh, that's classic. Woo! Check out that rainbow. Hopefully you can see it. Do I look like a little pot of gold under a rainbow? You see it? Woohoo! That's a sick rainbow. Wow! The old Rapala long cast. Look at these waves. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That is mental. Probably not even doing it justice on the GoPro, but that's some big swell out there. All right. Whee! Talk about long cast. Look at this on the poo side. Hooey! It just surges up, comes up like probably 8 meters, then all the way back down. Like such a big change in height. Woo! That water just looks so good. I just don't know if I'm pushing my luck. Here we go. This is a good dry rock. Nah, this one. Good rock. Whee! Might almost need to chuck a diver on. Because I'm up higher, like so high. Because I'm up so high above the water, kind of pulling the stick bait above it. Might need that diver to bury its nose back down, just get under that first layer. It's a bit of wind and swell that's just pushing this stick bait around. I'll give it a few more goes. Look at this. Ooh! Mental. Woo! We're amongst it now. We're like right at the end. Oh, look at this thing. You need an escape route around here, so if a big one comes, I'm going straight down that hole. This is psycho. Get him in. Oh, got to flick the bail arm. Come on. Terrible cast. We're in the zone. Keep an eye on the waves at all times. Last thing you want is to be swimming around down there. Let this set go. It's all wet here, so we're in the danger zone. Woo-hoo! Shit! Alright, it might be 2 skits and there's a big set coming. I thought I was getting wet then. Oh, look at this one. It's all wet here. Where's the dry rocks gone? What? No way! Look how low the water is and I just got wet. Psycho. All right, sets are gone. Sets are gone. Few casts. Sets, we're back out of here. Ah! Back to dry rock. Oh, they're not even big. All right, we're down the beach. We're gonna cook this tailor up. Come to a nice little spot. Came down there with the kids the other day and we built a few little teepees. So I've got a bit of firewood. Come on in. Welcome. There he is. This is sick. Little teepee. We're gonna start a little fire in here. Just a little one. Get a couple coals and cook this fish up. Ew. All the wood and everything's just so wet. It's hard to find anything dry. I think we got it going. Woo, come on. Nah. Yeah, so I gave up out there on the rocks. The sharks ended up getting real thick. I ran out of battery. I only had half a battery. So I've had to charge this up on the way here. We're gonna do a quick little cook up, nothing fancy. Scales on, skin on, cook it on the coals, rip the scales off, tuck in. How good. All right, smoke in the eyes. It's going. We got it going. Pretty wet timber, but we got there in the end. We'll get that roaring and then we'll let the coals just settle a bit and then fish straight on.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back.
Alright, fire's hot, got some coals going. I've gone and found some green sticks. I've wet them in the ocean to hopefully stop them catching on fire. We got the fishy, all clean, ready to go. Straight on there. Woo! How good, hey? Oh, this is living. That won't take long at all. Oh, look at it. She's just spitting. Yeah, baby. Oh, copping smoke in the eyes. She's had 5 minutes. She's ready to flip. I'm gonna try and flip it without dropping it. Put you up there. Can you see that? Oop. Grab my spatula. Oh. Are you kidding? Look at that. What? We get the knife. Pretty much. Battery's dead. This fish is epic. Was peeling that skin off. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, really helps out. I'm gonna be doing heaps more of this. I've had a little break, but now I'm getting stuck into it. I'm having a ball. I'm out of here. I'm gonna see you next time.